So I filled this up. It's quite big. There's my hand. It's nice and big. And the birds are just savage. Look, probably even the squirrels actually. That had a nice layer of food going across it. And the birds that live in these bushes, and the squirrels, I guess, I might want to set up a camera in that window. That'd be cool to look out. It's almost like the squirrels are coming along with a big bag, swag bag, nicking all the food, and then just bring over the neighbour's garden. It's crazy how much they eat. How bad would it be? There's a big bag of food. If you just, do you reckon any of the squirrels would come along? You just left that like that. Come along and they just pierce a little hole there, slowly feed themselves. Or I could put a little slit in it, just leave it in the bag so they could slowly feed themselves instead of just taking it all at once. Or maybe even just sod it and just leave it there. Don't cut it open. See how long it takes for them to open it. What do you think? Let me know. I've got this nice bath set for the birds, the bird feeder, bird bath, if you want to call it. Water. But don't have to get dirty inside. I don't know how it all builds up. I have to start cleaning it out once a week. But with the birds still, is that bird crap? Yeah, that's like bird crap there. But will the birds still drink out of it if it's got this moss? Huh? I'm gonna clean it out right now. I have all kinds of tools in here. I've got some more bird feeders down there. Stringer, lawnmower, just gotta find the right brush. I think I see a nice brush just there. Oh, I could just use it. That's not a brush, is it? Could just trowel it out maybe. You don't want to get a big broom out for it. Trying to leave some of the water behind. It's kind of working. Don't want to tip it because it should really come off the base, but it's very stuck for some reason. Yeah. Well, never mind. It'll do for now. Securely locked, and see what the buddies are like in a few days. Nice collection of wood there. So I've actually now cleaned it all up nicely. I used some cracks. Yeah, it's much better. I used a paving scraper brush. It's just dusty now, so looks much better.